Hello everyone. I am Sanjana Sawant and my partner Mansi Singh. Here we are gonna give a small presentation on Python program to compute the difference between two lists. This project is done under the guidance of Professor Mahesh Pawar sir and Professor Kalyani Kutte ma'am. Let's begin with the presentation. First, let me explain few points about list. List is used to store multiple items in a single variable. Lists are order. List can contain any arbitrary objects. List elements can be accessed by their index. Lists are mutable. Lists are dynamic. List can be defined with square bracket and separated by the commas. We can access the element with the help of the index. It has a definite count. Every element of an list have an index and a definite place. So let's see the further topic.
Okay, so as you all know, our topic is difference between two lists. So first we'll give you a diagrammatic representation of the difference between two lists. As you can see, there are two lists present here. So first, finding the difference between two lists, we have separated the common elements between the two lists. And after separating the common elements from the two lists, we have got the difference between two lists. So now, as you have seen the as you all have seen the diagrammatical representation, now we will go further to our coding part, where we have shown the difference of two lists with the help of coding. So as you can see, there are two lists, namely list 1 and list 2. As you can see, there are some common elements between the two lists and also the different elements between the two lists. So first, we have separated out the common elements from the two lists by giving difference list 1 of list 2. Like, as you can consider as difference of list 1 from list 2. And with the help of that, we have founded the difference of elements between the two lists. And now those different elements, we have added the two different elements as by giving variable total difference. As you can see, total difference is equals to difference of list 1 minus difference of list 2. So now we have to show the difference of the two lists by using the variable which was allocated, which is total difference. So as you have seen the programmatical code, now we'll go to the output part where we have been shown the output. As you can see, first there is list 1, then there is list 2. And now there is the difference between the list 1 and list 2. The the elements which are not same between the two lists are being shown in the difference part. So henceforth, this is the conclusion. In such a way, we get the difference between the two lists. List is a mutable thing where we can change values of it. We can do differentiation, updation, adding, insert, and many more operations we can perform on lists. So we have gave a small presentation of difference of list. Hope you all might have understand our presentation. Thank you.